everybody, I'm Miss Anita from Cecil County Public Library's Northeast Branch. You might be sitting at home looking for things to do, and I thought about some things that you might be able to do to use your time productively and just use some things that you have around your house. So I was thinking, most people have clothes laying around that they don't want anymore. Either you've outgrown it or it has a hole or a stain, and you just don't wear it anymore. So I was thinking maybe instead of throwing it in the landfill, it would be a good idea to make something useful out of it instead. So I have made bags out of t-shirts before, and they turned out pretty neat. So I thought maybe that would be fun to show you how to do. So I have two different kinds that I wanted to show you how to make. One is a drawstring bag, and the other is just like a tote bag. And the really cool thing about the ones that we're gonna make today is that you don't even need to know how to sew to make them. So let's get started.